Hey traders, it's Mike from Orderflows here. I'm excited to show you how easy it is to use the Orderflow Reader AI app. So after you've screenshotted your chart, saved it to your computer, all you do is you open up the app and you just click in this box here where it says to drop your footprint chart here. So all you do is you click, you find it wherever you saved it, click on the chart, and then you press this green button, Analyze. Okay, now the button won't be green until you actually drop a chart there. And you can see it's performing the analysis, right? It's reading the order flow structure, analyzing delta and imbalances and more. It's evaluating the bar-to-bar context, and it's going to give you the final verdict. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, right, this is a screenshot. So it's going to read the most recent order flow first. Why is that? Because that's the most important order flow that is being analyzed. Now, there's another way that you can use this app is to analyze trades that you have taken. Okay, I'll do that in another video. That way it will show you, what went wrong for you in the order flow. Sort of, you read the order flow, you took a trade, but different type of order flow came in that caused the trade not to work out, right? Or if it was a winning trade, you want to see, maybe some of the other aspects of the order flow that maybe you missed. Okay, so now the analysis is done, and based on where the market is right now on the far right-hand side with this current bar, it's telling you it's bearish, right? Confidence of it being bearish is quite high, it's 85%. Now it's doing bar-to-bar comparison. Okay, now it's looking over the rest of the previous order flow to tell you where the bullish and bearish zones are. Okay, you see bullish, bearish, current bar position, if it's broken through some support or balance, etc. Market context is kind of neutral, right? Which is to be expected. This market is going sideways, and it's telling you the final verdict is quite strong bearish, right? And it's telling you why. Then, more importantly, what it's giving you is the key lessons from the chart. Okay, things you can learn from this chart. Where the stacked imbalances are coming in, why it matters. Selling absorption at the high, why it matters. Volume, climax, and accumulation, why it matters. Rotational market structure. Okay, anything that's important there is giving you a lesson. So, what makes it so useful for you as a trader is it's telling you what the important aspects of the order flow are on that chart. So, everybody trades a different chart type. Everybody trades different markets. Maybe you are a nat gas trader, so watching a video on someone trading NASDAQ isn't very useful to you. So you want to analyze the markets that you're looking at, that you're trading. Now here's the cool part. You can export this to a PDF. So you just click this button here, export to PDF. Okay, PDF has been generated. If I want to open it up, I just click on there and just bring it in here a little smaller. So you can see it's a 2-page PDF, right, with that analysis there. So you could print this up, you can save it, and sort of make notes, highlight the important aspects of order flow that you want to trade in the future. All right, so you can see how simple it is to use. One other thing, you could actually change the background. I like the light background. Some people like a dark background. You have this sun up here, that's for the light background. If you click there, it's sort of, this is the sun, the other one was the moon. Okay, so for a light background, you're going to click on the sun when it is a black background, but when it's a light background, you click on the moon to make it dark. So very simple, easy to use. Okay, so thanks everyone, and I'll see you on the next video.